Foreign Minister Mzembi is reportedly fighting for his life at PANECHAMISA group of hospitals after collapsing while in custody at Harare remand prison. Zanabena mashukubuda pankwaindo chinzi ayo Mzembi poisoned in political prison. Talk to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina pana papunombo bdanyuka mchinzi. Award-winning journalist Opochmono shared the update on Friday, 1 August 2025, stating that Mzembi is seriously ill with an enlarged heart and swollen feet. According to Chimono, prison officials confirmed that the former minister collapsed last week inside the remand facility. Doctors treating him are said to be deeply concerned about the shortage of drugs and proper medical equipment, which is hampering their ability to give him adequate care. In quotes, doctors concerned about the lack of drugs and equipment in PANECHAMISA have informed me that Zimbabwe's former foreign minister Mzembi is currently hospitalized there. He is seriously ill with an enlarged heart and swollen feet, and he also collapsed in prison last week, according to a prison official, part of Chimono's update. Mzembi was Robert Mugabe's final foreign minister serving right before the late president was ousted in the 2017 military coup led by current looting president mnangagwa. Despite the severity of his illness, Chimono post has sparked mixed reactions online. The late MDC member of parliament for KUTYA Len Mojongwe was poisoned to death in Harare remand prison. President Mnangagwa is also using the same killing methods like the ones used by the late brutal dictator Robert Mugabe. Mzembi, 61, was arrested on 14 June 2025 upon his return from Zambia, ending nearly 7 years in exile, during which he lived in South Africa, Eswatini, and Zambia. Political analysts argue that Mzembi's legal troubles are a form of retribution by Mnangagwa, stemming from their political disagreements during the Mugabe era. They also contend that Mzembi made a strategic error by returning to Zimbabwe because President Mnangagwa does not forgive his political enemies. Many G4 exiles are fully aware of President Mnangagwa's natural killing instincts. Domashko arikuda panguva ine pamusana paMzembi nekurwara kwaari kuita. Ina comment section yedu nzimafunguro enyu muti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.